Hello everyone, here are some beautiful hairstyles that you can make at home. First, place a fancy rubber band on the top with some strands and then tie a braid around it. After you're done tying, tie it from below and it's done. Moving on, first make 4 ponytails as shown in the video, then braids, then attach it above. Then roll the braids around it and place a fancy cute rubber band and it's done. Moving on, take some hair from the side, from the top and then braid it around. Then pull out the hairs from within, place some tiny rubber bands and then roll it around it and it's done. Moving on, first part the hairs as shown in the video, then roll it around the rubber band. Make sure you have plenty of them as you'll need it. After you've done doing it, attach it and then braid it from below. Moving on, take some hairs from below, place the rubber bands and then tie it up to the ponytail. Then roll the hairs of the ponytail and encircle it into a bun. Then place the clip and it's done. Moving on, first take some hairs from the top and keep on braiding it using the strand. Make sure it's long enough to cover the braid and it's done. Hope you liked the video and it's very easy to make at home. Moving on, make 3 braids each from the sides, then tie them up together into a heart. Keep on doing it with the other braids and it's done. Moving on, first take a fancy rubber band and make a ponytail. Then with the help of the strands, braid hairs into 2, tie it from below and it's done. Moving on, make some ponytails like shown in the video, then roll it and it's done. Moving on, make 5 ponytails and then tie them together with each other starting by the side. Tie up 4 strands from each side and it's done. Moving on, make a ponytail from above, then braid the hairs from the side, then insert the strands of the ponytail within the braid, then tie it together and it's done. Moving on, first make a small ponytail from above, then roll up the hairs from within, then make braids and tie it up and it's done. Moving on to the next video. Here in this, first part the hairs as shown in the video, then pull them out from within, then take out the strands and tighten them up. Watch the video accordingly so that it looks neat and then tie it from below and it's done. Moving on, make 5 ponytails like shown, then take a strand from each and make 2 braids of it, then attach it below. Do the same with others and it's done. Moving on, make 3 ponytails, then tie them with each other. First take from the side, make 4 attachments and then tie it together and it's done. Moving on, place 3 rubber bands from the front, then tie the hair into a circle and make a bun, then place a fancy rubber band around it and it's done. Moving on, first make a ponytail from above, then 2 ponytails from the side, tie them all together and place a fancy rubber band and it's done. Moving on, first make a ponytail from above and make 2 braids of it, then from the side roll them up from below and it's done. Thank you for watching.